Hey chaps, we got a phone call last night to go and try and sort these two foxes out. They've been seen in the farmyard. He keeps a lot of ducks, hens, geese, and these two have been seen in the farmyard causing havoc, so we had to go and sort them, and this was the result. Cheers.
He wouldn't show himself. Anyway, eventually we've sat and waited 10 minutes and he's shown his ugly head. We'll go and pick him up now. Okay, so we'll go and see what it is. Just coming up to him now. It's about, I don't know, 135 yard, roughly. See what state this in. He's been hit with 243, so, and it went with a right thump. Bloody thump was as loud as bang. Let's have a look what we've got. Dog or a vixen? Let's have a look. Dog. There you can see. Job done. No more livestock for you, my boy. Well, here we go again. I'm walking back with that fox and I've heard another shot on the other side of the field. On the other side of the lane where we are. So we'll go and see what this one is. Give me 2 minutes. Here we go. The old magpies are going daft. This has been sugar beet, this, and it's just been pulled up. Well, not just, like last week sometime. Whew. This is about 500 yard I've done for two foxes, this. Headshot this. Vixen, that one, look. There we go, dog and a vixen.